Jai Guruji Sangat Ji. Today is such an auspicious and beautiful day, and आज तो गुरुजी ने दिल खोल के संगत बुलाई है. आना जाना मेरे हाथ गुरुजी के अंदर से. So you've come here with his blessings and you go with his blessings, and anything that happens in between is ordained by him, good or bad. It is within his decided limits, whatever happens with you. So you come here with his blessings and you leave here with his blessings. Nothing is a coincidence. In fact, अरुणा आंटी एंड अंकल ने इतना सुंदर कार्ड बनाया और भेजा, और मैंने टीवी के सामने रख दिया कि ये कार्ड कोई नहीं हिलाएगा. टोल्ड द स्टाफ, किसी ने नहीं हिलाना ये कार्ड. एंड टुडे जब टाइम आया तो वो कार्ड वहाँ था ही नहीं, और मैं ढूंढी जाऊँ. सो आई कॉल्ड अप अरुणा आंटी. आई सेड अरुणा आंटी, मेरे को तो कार्ड मिल नहीं रहा और मैं आ नहीं सकती आपको मिलने. तो आंटी ने कहा मैं कार्ड भेज देती हूँ, आप यहाँ मंगवा लो. वहाँ फ़ोन रखा और कार्ड सामने. Where I thought it was, when nobody could see it, I mean you can't miss the card. It was right there. So I called up Aruna auntie and I said, Auntie, card to mil gaya, so I won't be calling for the card. I said maybe गुरुजी चाहते थे कि हम आपके साथ बात करें, हम दोनों की एक दो बातें हों, इसलिए शायद आपसे बात करा दी. तो आंटी कहते हैं आज आप फिर सत्संग करोगे. ऐसे गुरुजी decides who has to do satsang. Making it very short, I just want to remind everybody of all the things that Guruji has said 25 years ago. Guruji said, बड़ा माड़ा टाइम आ रहा है, पाठ करया करो, सत्संग करया करो, एक दूजे ਨੂੰ मिलिया करो और मेरी गल्लां करया करो. फिर उन्होंने क्या सी कि बड़े ह्यूज चेंजेस आएंगे. पहला चेंज होएगा that the system of marriage would fail, and Guruji के होते सार ही the system of marriage had started failing. एंड गुरुजी had said 3 महीने तो ज़्यादा शादी नहीं होएगी, सेक्स और पैसे दे पीछे बंदे विआह करनगे और फिर तोड़ भी देंगे. दूसरा he said that the system of education will fail, and that has also started happening. My own daughter is homeschooled, so I know that system of education is not really appropriate for what kids should have nowadays. Thirdly, Sahib Ji said the system of government will fail, and that we can see all over the world how the change is coming. And fourthly, Guruji said कि diamond कोई यूज़ नहीं रहेगा, and gold and silver coins will be the money of the future. And that too we can see in one of the American cities. Petition has been put in that gold and silver coins should be the money going forward. So this is to remind you that these things were told 25 years ago. And these things are coming in right now. I thought when I die, my kids will grow up, they will go through it. But it seems I'm going to be seeing everything also. And Guruji ने क्या से एक ही चीज़ तनु एक टाइम पार कराएगी. वो है direct contact with me, devotion to me, because I give hope to everybody. If there is no hope, there is no life, and there is no will to live. And with this, I'd like to end. Jai Guruji Maharaj.
Thank you, Mami Auntie.